Okay, Shirisha, you start.
Guruji,
Yes.
Vrikshaha, second paragraph. That's
Second
the only
paragraph.
part I did.
Vrikshanam bahava vedaha bhavanti. I think you need to push your camera a little bit. You are on the left side. Okay, just move a little bit. Now come to the center. Okay.
Vrikshana bahavaha vedaha bhavanti. In trees, there are many differences.
Varieties. We'll use the word varieties. Can you tell me how do you get bahavaha?
Bahavaha.
What's the original word?
Bahu.
Bahu.
Bahu. Guru, guru, guravaha.
Guravaha. Vedaha. Veda, vedaha. Differences. Plural.
Bahuvachan. Vedaha bhavanti. Vrikshana. What is vrikshana?
Vrikshana.
Of the trees.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. Of sixth case.
Of
Vrikshana.
Sixth plural.
There are many varieties of trees. Then read the next sentence.
Nimba, Amra, Vata, Jambu, Prayala, Panasa, Narikela, Kajura, Talaka, Bilva, Ballataka, Khadira, Bhadara, Bambuladayaha, Palavrukshaha Bhavanti. So this Nimba, I think is lime, Amra is mango, Vata is
Fig.
Vata Vruksham is
Fig.
Banyan.
Vruksha, yeah. The
Banyan,
ladies do the
banyan.
puja. There are.
Vata Vruksham.
Yeah.
Banyan.
Then Jambu.
Banyan tree. Jambu.
Is there blue fruits? Little one. That is Jambu.
Jambu.
I do not know what Prayala is.
I don't know.
Prayala, I also think it.
It's not in the dictionary, Guruji.
Guruji, I checked online. I found Kaitya tree. It's a sacred shrine tree
Say it
in
again.
Jains. Kaitya tree.
Kaitya?
It is a Kaitya tree. It is special for Jains.
I will have to say. Okay.
It's a
I don't know.
sacred
But
shrine
another tree. Yes, I'm as concerned. Then Panasa.
Panasa is jackfruit.
Okay. In Marathi, it's
Narikela
called
is
Panas. In Marathi, the word is Parnasa.
Right.
Sanskrit is Parnasa.
Narikela is banana.
Coconut.
No.
Coconut.
Narikela is what?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut. Yeah.
Coconut. Kajur, dates.
Yeah.
Talaka, I didn't get.
It's palm tree in the dictionary.
Palm tree, Guruji.
Close, way top, you remember, straight up.
Yeah, palm tree.
Is a
Palm tree.
they make the
Bilva.
body. Then below, we know below Patra.
Okay. Ballataka.
Cashew nut.
Ballataka is cashew nut, what I see here.
Okay, all right.
Cashew nut. Khadira.
Acacia. I don't know.
Hmm?
Acacia
Not
is
wood
in the
trees.
dictionary of tree.
Trees.
Yeah.
Acacia is, you might say, close to betel nut or is a coffee.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm not sure about that, but I'm treating it as betel nut only.
Padara Bambuladayaha Palavrukshaha Bhavanti.
Babbula.
Bambula plus
Adaya means etc. What is
etc.
babbula? Did you forget? In India, is a tree like a shami tree, and it has the kind of thorns. Very sharp thorns, 1 inch nails like that, white. And then we also get the we call it dink in Marathi.
Gum.
Gum.
Oh.
And you get a gum from there's a bark, and then you can use it and mix with the water, and it's a good gum. And that's how we used to
Stick.
use it in our young days. There was no such thing as, a bottle gum or something like that. How about Gangadhar? Do you believe it, or did you not use that one?
Yes, yes.
We used
Yeah,
Guruji.
Anto.
In fact, you can make laddus.
Yeah, I know. They put
Yeah,
Paratin Dinkasa Ladu.
Rice, yes.
And
Antinundi.
it's a kind of very healthy. And
Yes,
in our area, they made a laddu out of that one, and then all the nuts and everything. And they give it to the pregnant, ladies who have delivered.
Correct.
So it's a healthy food for them. So it's India's way of giving more proteins.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's go to next person. We'll go to Swami. You want to do something, Swami?
Okay, Guruji. Anye cha Kunda, Kadamba, Kurabaka, Ashoka, Shirisha, Kutuja, Naga, Punaga, Naga Pumnaga, Mandara, Arijata, Patala, Chamaka, Kishuka, Champaka, Kimshuka, Tamala, Bakuladayaha, Pushpavrukshaha, Katyante? Katyante. Okay, Katyante. So these all seem to be flower plants.
These are flower plants. Different names are how they get. Kunda, Kadamba, Kurubaka, Ashoka, Shirisha, Kuraja, Naga, Punnaga. How many of you know? I don't know all of them.
I didn't find meaning of all for all the flowers.
Okay, sir, you tell me what you found out, Sweta.
Kunda is jasmine.
Okay, now let's find them. Swami, did you find any names?
No, Guruji.
Okay, all right. We'll go to Sweta. Okay, all right. Or we'll go to Rohit and we'll come back to Sweta. Huh?
Yeah, I found some. So I think Kunda. Let me check. Kunda, I think jasmine.
Yeah.
Kadambara, I think it's burrflower tree. I don't know what burrflower is. Kadamba or burrflower tea.
Kadamba is, I think, that green thing which we keep in between flowers.
Maruvam.
Maruvam kind of.
Say that again. What's that? Say it loudly.
We keep green things in the middle of flowers, Guruji.
Garland.
Is that Kadamba?
Is it a
Garland?
small leaf or big leaf?
Small.
In the garden, when you're doing the mala, that's what the green leaf you put in, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Then,
Kadamba.
Then the next one was
Kurubaka.
Kurubaka. I think it is 1 second. What is it? Rose Bay. Rose Bay.
Rose?
Rose Bay.
Rose.
Rose Bay. I think it's like called a rose bay. It's like an orange flower or oleander. Like a shrub. I don't know.
Okay.
I think the English name maybe doesn't match with the
Yeah.
Then the other one, Ashoka, is Ashoka tree. Then
Shirisha.
1 second, where am I? Ashoka. Then Shirisha is the Shiris tree. I don't know what that is.
What
Shiris.
is it?
Sirisha is actually Mandar only, Guruji.
Oh.
Why I don't know. There is Mandar also there. But in my childhood, my Telugu teacher said that Sirisha is Mandar.
Your name is Shirisha, so you should know.
Oh, now she knows why.
So I told that it is Mandaram only, but I see Mandar also here. So I'm a bit confused whether my name is right or not now.
Your name is correct. Your parents have put the name. There's no doubt about that. Your interpretation is question mark.
Yes.
And the Kuttaka is the Kurchi tree. I'm not sure.
Coral swirl, in one of the dictionaries, it is coral swirl. I don't know what it is.
Konesi or also I think.
What's that one?
Coral swirl.
Yeah, I think Nag is Naga Kesar or
Oh,
ironwood tree.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is.
What is Naga Guruji?
Another tree is called that the kind of a flowering is there.
Naga, Punnaga, they are very,
Fragrance.
they have fragrant, they're very fragrant
fragrant flowers.
flowers.
The Naga,
Naga.
also, it gets you serpents in it, green
Ah.
serpents.
Sampangi.
Because of that smell,
It's like
serpents
a
and all.
kevda.
Ah.
It's like a kevda, and it's a very nice smell. You cannot hide the smell, kevda smell. And then also
It is-
the champaka, we call champaka is one meaning is jasmine, but other one is we have
Green.
two types of flowers. One is long and yellow, and it's a slightly green flower. The other one is very, very fine yellow, and the yellow is a tall tree, and you get the flowers every year. Lots of them flowers.
Safa?
So, Safa. Safa.
Mhm.
Is it also called
Safa.
Kamala tree? Is it also called Kamala tree?
I don't know. Yeah, could be. Then I don't know. That's
Sampangi
why.
in Telugu.
These are different words, and I always every time I take that one, I said I don't know. Bakula is a very small little flower, and it's in the evening. It kind of blooms in the evening, and ladies will try to make a garland of it. Then they leave it in the house in their clothes or something. It's a very nice smell. Small flower. But there are very different trees. We have say there is one Kurubaka is a Kanheri, if I'm correct. If you go to Chinmaya Mission, when he has entered it, there are some small, tall ones with kind of a long strip like as leaves, and that's the Kurubaka, if I'm correct. Okay. Now we go to somebody else. Okay, now Shweta, you didn't do anything, right?
No,
No.
Guruji.
Okay,
Same,
go ahead.
same sentence or next sentence?
Punascha.
Okay. Punascha vrukshanam dvau bhedau bhavataha. Punascha, and again, vrukshanam, of the trees, dvau, two, bhedau, varieties. Bhedaha is singular, bhedau is two varieties, so it is
There are
bhedau.
two varieties of trees. Okay, again, so he's going to give some more meaning, huh? Then
Bhavataha is there are. So, and again, there are two varieties of trees.
Is it varieties or differences?
Both, I
we'll
guess.
use the word bheda as a difference or variety. But we can use it. There's a difference between the two varieties, or there are two different varieties. There are two different trees. So that means two different types of trees.
Taja, Amra, Jambu, Prayala, Panasa, Narkela, Jambira, Tala, Bilva, Kapithadayaha, Udyana, Vrukshaha, Santi. So these are all like the garden trees. Taja, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, in other words, they are here. Vana is, what would you say?
Udyana Vrukshaha.
There Udyana. There is a difference between Udyan and Vana. Udyana is a garden or cultivated. So they are not of the forest type of tree. They are wild where they grow. but people bring them and plant them and grow them. So you see most of them in the gardens, where is in the cultivated fruit trees. Okay. But when you go to Southern America, we were there on a cruise, and in some, I don't remember the name of that particular island. So too many mango trees. I mean, everywhere you see that. It's not anymore a garden tree. It was almost so wide everywhere. And they say they cannot collect all of the fruits, and the fruits fall out and everything. They send all the fruits to England and Europe like that. So, and it's generally true. I have to say that mango tree is generally a cultivated tree, but I've seen them where it's almost wild, like in a forest.
What is Taja, Guruji? Taja? First one. Taja.
I don't know.
Amra is mango.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Amra is it Indian gooseberry?
What?
Indian
No,
gooseberry?
that is amla.
Amla.
Oh,
Mango.
thank you.
Amla is imli. So,
Amla is
I know amla. Amla is imli.
Okay.
It's a very tall tree, and then it is a kind of hard stuff with the long, and in between there are a lot of seeds, black,
Tamil.
and it's covered with like a reddish stuff. And when it's ripe, you take that one out. Outside is taken off, and then you separated the seed, and then you use it as a sour in the sambar and everything. In South, it's very popular.
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Correct.
For Taja, Guruji?
No.
Amla.
I don't know whether Taja is tamarind.
Oh, okay.
Guruji, amra is mango, no?
Amra is
Yes.
mango. Yeah.
Amra is mango.
Guruji,
Same.
Taja, just guessing from Marathi, tajeldar, taji, fresh or juicy?
No.
Nahi?
No.
Because
There's some, there has to be something which I don't know.
Yeah, this sentence, it has the same kind of trees described above.
Then ete, then
Ete
the next.
Ete udyaneshu surakshitāha sinchitāscha pushyanti phalanti cha. Ete, it's derived from etat. These udyaneshu, in the gardens. Surakshitaha, is the root word raksha, Guruji?
Yeah,
Like
raksha, rakshita, surakshita. They are surakshita.
Are protected.
They are well protected.
Are protected. Sinchitascha, to water. So are watered. Sincha is to water. So are watered. Pushyanti, flowered or bloomed or blossomed.
They blossom, and then
Phalanti, bear fruits.
yeah, give bear fruits.
These
So
in the
notice
gardens.
here, what he is trying to say is, first, these people are well protected. Okay, so they water it regularly, and so that it doesn't dry out and everything. And then, how does the fruit comes in? First, there's a flower, and from the flower, then you are seeing the fruits. That's what he's saying. So anytime when there is a amra, when the mango trees start giving the flowers, there's a very nice smell also. You can see them.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Who wants to go next one? Rohit.
Yes, good. I think now we're on 8th. We did the 8th part, right? 8th.
Anyecha, next one.
Oh, Anyecha.
Anyecha.
Anyecha in the, okay. Let me find where I was. Okay. So Anyecha, Kunda, Mandara, Parijata, Patala, Parijata, Patala, Ashoka, Champaka, Chandanadyah, Api, Udyaneshu eva bhavanti, Prasuvate cha kevalam sugandha pushpani. So it's saying anyecha, so others,
Other trees, yeah.
trees, and other trees. So these are all the other trees, kunda, mandara, and all these trees. Adayaha means and many others, and many others. Api is also. Udyaneshu is Udyaneshu eva, only bhavanti, so only exist in gardens.
Yeah, they grow. Okay, you can say they are seeing, they are grown. Okay.
Yes.
Then?
And prasuvate cha kevalam. So they produce, and they produce only sugandha pushpani. So they produce only like a sugandha, like
Fragrance.
good smelling flowers.
Super fragrance. We can use the word super. Yeah, good fragrance.
Yes.
Okay. In other words, he is trying to show that these trees only give flowers. They do not give any fruits.
Yes.
That's the meaning. Okay. He's giving the varieties of fruits. Okay. Then one more line.
Anyetu nimba babula utaja kankola khadira allata kadayah vrikshaha jangalaha kathyate. So this one is saying that anye, so anyetu means but others, all these trees and many other trees, jangalaha kathyate. So they're called like wild, or I guess they're in the forest.
Jangalaha.
Jangalaha. Yes.
Jangala is also Marathi word, is a forest.
Yes.
You can say wild trees, forest trees. So it's naturally they grow. Nobody goes and waters them and doing small plants and you make them grow. Nothing like that. They just grow wild in the forest. These are wild trees which are growing in the forest.
Guruji, one question. Why
Yes.
is it bhavanti in the previous sentence and kathyante in the next sentence? Katha is
Yes,
to call.
they are called.
They're called. Okay.
Yeah. Kathyante, they are called. Other trees are called.
Okay.
So, instead of repeating the same thing, he said, other trees are called. There are other trees of this type, he wants to say.
Okay.
So he's just using other words, nothing special about that.
Guruji, this last sentence, prasuvate cha kevalam.
They give birth to?
Produce, bearing.
Bearing, they produce.
Okay, now,
Prasuvate.
she has a good question. Prasuvate is deliver a baby, a su. Verb is su. Okay. In other words, from that one they are getting this one. They give them, so they instead of saying they give, they use prasuvate. They are born from there. Okay. So in other words, they give only these flowers. We have to translate like that. Okay. They don't deliver, delivery, they're not in a womb or something. Yeah, they are in a small bud and then they come out, but they are using a flowery language. Prasuvate. Does it answer the question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Tesham phalani.
Tesham phalani swaduni na bhavanti. So their flowers are not sweet.
Fruits.
The fruits
Tasty.
are not sweet.
Phalani, their fruits are not sweet.
Yeah, the tree that you are mentioning, they are not sweet. Okay, like lemon is not sweet. Okay, now who is going to go? We'll go to Shirisha. Vriksha api.
Vriksha api manushya iva bhuktva pitva cha jivanti. Vriksha, trees. Now, manushya iva bhuktva, for
No. Like men or like human race, like humans.
api manushya, like humans.
Trees also
drink and
like humans. That
Drink, eat and
bhuktva, bhuja bhuktva, that is having eaten food. They eat food. Book.
Like men, they eat, drink, and live.
Yeah. These trees live like humans by eating and drinking.
मूलानि वृक्षाणां मुखानि पादाः वा भवन्ति. Mulani are roots. Roots are vrikshanam. They are trees. Mukhani padaha va bhavanti.
Or mouth or feet.
Mouth, feet. Mouth, va is mouth or feet. Bhavanti is.
Yeah.
Roots are trees, face or
Feet.
like.
Like.
Te padai, like. Te padai sidanti ata eva padapaha katyante. They drink from their feet, so they are called padapaha.
See, the thing is, they are saying they take the water from the ground through their roots. So he is saying, they drink water. So we drink water with them by the mouth, right? So they drink the water through. In other words, they suck the water from the ground. They take the water from the ground. So that's why we call them padapa. Padapaha. Okay. You want to read one question, huh?
Tesha mulani bhumehe
Rasam.
rasam grihitva sarveshu avayaveshu nayanti tena te pravardante pushpanti pallanti dadati cha phalani. Tesham mulani with roots bhumehe from the earth. Rasam grihitva, they take the saram from the earth. Sarveshu avayaveshu.
Essentially, we can say rasam here. Rasam is ingredients, tasting food. So here they get the essential nutrients. We'll use the word translated. They get the essential nutrients from the roots. And what happens?
Sarveshu avayaveshu nayanti.
So, sarveshu avayaveshu nayanti. They take it, carry it, then
and give it to all nayanti.
Carry. Then avayaveshu, limbs. They carry to all the what are the limbs? Branches and twigs. So they carry the nutrients to all parts of the tree. So the branches and so on. Then by that. So what happens? This same is pravardante. They grow.
Pushpanti pallanti.
The flowers.
Give fruits. Dadati cha phalani. They bear flowers and fruits, and then they give the fruits. Dadati cha phalani.
Good. Okay, we can go to some other person. Okay. Sonali.
वृक्षान् अपि वर्षावात् शीत आतपाः बाध्यन्ते.
Badante. Ukshanapi varsha vata shita atapaha. These are all put together as the plural. So there's atapaha. What are the four things? Padante, they affect. What are the four things?
वर्षावात् शीत.
What does that mean?
Rain, wind, and cold.
Yes.
Cold.
And atapa?
Heat.
Atapa is heat.
Is heat, in sun's heat.
So,
All these things affect the trees. The badhate, it bothers you, heats you, disturbs you, hurts you. So it means it also hurts you, like it hurts the human being. So the word badha is used. What happens?
Te
To the trees also, these things affect. We'll use the word badha and there's affect or hurt. Next sentence.
ते अपि सुखानि दुःखानि च अनुभवन्ति. So like other living beings, they also
They means they.
अपि,
They also
sukha dukkha anubhav is experience or feel. Teshu api
No, you have to say these trees also experience and happiness and sadness. Dukkha dukkha. Because if you cut it, it hurts them. If you water and sing it, they're very happy also. They also experience. In small home plants where the hostess or the person who breeds them and they sing, they bloom very well in the house also, some of the trees.
Guruji, I would like
The
to share
experimental
something
proof.
here.
There's people who have, we call them, have a green thumb and so on.
Yeah.
And plants in the house, they do very well. In some people use the same plant, start at the same time. In some homes, they flourish. In the other homes, they don't flourish. There's somebody takes tender care for it.
Is it true, like where in the house plants where there is a lot of anger, fighting, the plants don't survive.
Correct.
But when you talk nicely with them, they kind of leave
you
down.
can talk nicely with them, or you don't have to do anything harmful. Then they grow well.
I used to
People
be
have done
very.
experiments a long time back in the early part of the 19th century and the 20th century. There was a person named, I think it was the late 19th century, early part of the 20th century, one Bose, not Subhash Chandra Bose, but with the same name. I think it was Sharat Chandra Bose or something like that.
Jagadish
Jagadish
Bose.
Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose.
And he used to do experiments. And he could see the electrical signals and they would move and things like that. So there is an experimental proof. Okay, Teshu. Then next, you want to read one more sentence which goes all the way to the end?
हो गुरुजी. तेषु अपि प्राणाः भवन्ति, अत एव ते प्राणिनः इव जायन्ते, वर्धन्ते, फुल्लन्ति, फलन्ति, मीयन्ते च.
Mriyante.
Mri.
There's a mri, not me. It's mri. Mriyante.
Right.
They also have life.
Ataha eva.
अतः एव ते प्राणिः.
Therefore. Atah means therefore. Therefore.
एव ते प्राणिनः इव जायन्ते, वर्धन्ते, फुल्लन्ति.
What is Jayante?
Live.
Born. Jana Jayante. Jayate. We have covered that one. We have made a translation. Jayante. They are born. I get to give an exercise. The Rama is born on such and such a day and so on. So, what do we say here? So those also, like a living beings, they're Jayante. They're born. And Vardhante?
Age.
Grow. Vardhante means grow.
अच्छा.
Then Pullanti, they flower. Phalanti, they give fruits.
grow.
Then what
fruits.
happens at the end? Mriyante. They die.
Mriyante. They die.
Okay. Now we'll go to Gangadhar.
Yes, sir.
Te kadapi.
Te kadapi khaga jalachara nara iva na varanti iti acharaha kathyante. They
Na charanti. It is charanti.
kathyante.
Na charanti. Iti
Te
acharaha
kadapi khagamruga jaladhara naraiva na charanti iti acharaha kathyante.
katyante.
Khaga mrugaja. So khaga is are the birds. Are the
Mruga is the animal.
jalachara are the water, the like fish. Nara is man.
So he's
Ivana,
giving you 4 types. One is khaga, who fly in the sky. Okay. Mruga is animals. Jalachara is things will live in the
water.
Water.
so people would fly, they walk around, and then we have the ones under the water. Then naraha, all the human race. Iva nurturanti.
Don't move.
They don't move. Now
So-
that is where I have a problem. If you move, naraha iva nurturanti. That's how we have to do. So what is these ones, which are the one birds, animals, and water the stuff, they don't move like naraha iva nurturanti. Like men, they don't walk.
Right.
So we call them naraha iva nurturanti iti. Therefore, acharaha kathyante. So they are
Yeah.
called achara. They are non-movable. Like what? Our human beings.
Guruji, what is kadapi? Is it
Ever?
Ever?
Anytime. Yeah,
Ever.
anytime. Anytime. Kada api, kada api. At any, kada means anytime. Api also. At any point of time also. Just emphasizing kada api. No?
Guruji, in the previous sentence, praninaha, what is that? Praninaha iva jayante, vardhante.
Like
Okay,
living
okay,
beings.
okay. Now I'll have to explain to you.
Praninaha.
The word prana is shasochasa and life. Prana is in general, the basic sense is not only just air that we breathe, that's prana, but prana means life. So there is a life in the body, then there is a prana. Prana has reference, body has, a person died. So here praninaha, prana, then we attach the suffix in, pranin. So pranin means one who has life. So living beings. Praninaha is a bahuvachan. Gunin, guninau, guninaha, praninaha. Pranin declines as the word gunin, it is in the declaration book. So if you look at it, it becomes gunin, guninau, guninaha, guni, guninau, guninaha. So here praninaha means bahuvachan of the word. So it means people or somebody who has a life, all living beings. That is a general being.
Thank
Okay.
you, Guruji. Yeah.
All right. Next. Okay. Ganga, keep on going.
Bahupakarvanti vrikshaha praninam. So bahupakarvanti is very helpful or very upakara. The mool word is
Yes.
upakara.
Vrikshaha praninam bahu upakurvanti. These trees do a great favor. They give a lot of things. Upakurvanti, upakara. When you say the upakuru, So you are doing favors to them. Do
Yes.
good things to them. That's called upakara.
Tehi asharanam sharanam. They are the asylum for the asylum
So
seekers.
in other words, what happens is they give shelter. Here now the word sharana has to be shelter.
Okay.
People who do not have shelter, they can go and stay under the tree and they get the shelter. Why? It protects from heat and also rain. So anytime if you're walking outside, if there's a rain, all of a sudden you go and stand under the tree. You still get few drops, but nothing like a pouring rain standing in the open field. So that is why Asharananam Sharanam. So now he is not given the verb. So you have to provide it. Te bhavanti, te asharanam sharanam bhavanti. They are the ones who give the protection to who do not have the protection. In other words, who do not have the shelter, he gives them the shelter. Next sentence.
Bubhukshitanam bhojanam.
Bhukshitanam bhojanam. What does that mean?
For
So,
hungry people.
For the hungry, they are the food.
For hungry, they give food. So now how the word bhukshitanam comes in. So you go, the word starts with bhuja, bhunkte. Okay. Then now that word create the bhukshita. Bhukshita, bhukshita. The bhukshita means position. But bhukshita is extremely hungry because there are fruits. People can take out the fruits and eat. Hopefully it is when the fruit season, not all the time, but bhukshitanam bhojanam. Then samtaptanam
Santaptanam.
Tormented.
samashraya. Santaptanam samashraya. Tapo tapyate.
Those who are
Hot.
those who are hurt by the heat.
Tapo tapyate gets hot. Santaptanam. Santapta means who is, you go and walk in the sun. You are getting hot. So he is essentially bothered by heat. Those people who are feeling the heat, so they are the santapta.
Dead.
To them, what is ashraya? They give the protection. Ashraya means protection. Like same thing is sharana. Yeah, they give. So you go and stand under the tree. It's cool. In the rainy season, you go and stand there. So you want protection from the heat, you go and stand under the tree. So samtaptanam, adam shramtanam.
Vishrama grahani.
Vishranta.
The tired people, it is the resting place.
It's a resting place. Grihan. They're like a house. Shranta. So Shranta word comes from Shrama. Shrama is to sweat out, do exercise, do work. Shranta is then who are already worked and so they're tired. So for tired people, it gives you like a home to resting place.
Yes. Sukhina saukhyopakarnani.
Saukhya upakaranani, saukhyopakarnani. Sukhinam.
So people who are already happy, for them it
they are happy people or who want to become happy. These trees provide everything. They give the food, the shelter, protect you from the heat, protect from rain, so you can go and rest. So people who are looking for something nice, these trees give them everything. Sukha, they give happiness. Then
Achatrinam chatram. So
Achatrinam chatram.
it's like an umbrella.
Yeah, those people who do not have umbrella, they are like umbrella. They provide like an umbrella. Next one.
Niralambinam alambanam. So one who does not have any support, it provides support.
Yeah, they give the support. Good. Then?
Suhridascha jagatah.
Hmm.
So the whole world is, Suhrida is happy.
No.
Friends.
Jagataha Suhradaha. Jagat. The word is Jagat. Jagataha. Jagata means of the world. Of all the people in the world. Jagat is the word. Jagata means of the world. 6 case.
Okay, of the world. Suhrida.
Jagataha of the world. They are Suhrud, they are friends.
Friends.
Suhrud
Oh.
is a friend.
I see.
For the whole world, they are friendly.
Very good.
They are friends of the entire world.
Suhridascha.
Jagataha Suhradaha cha.
So they are friends of the world.
Okay, friends of the world. Who is left now? Who wants to try to go out in the there is one more paragraph. We have got another time.
I would like to.
You want to try, Shirisha? Go ahead.
Naraha, Vanaraha, Kagaha, Mruga, Runaschapi, Tesham, Patrani, Pushpani, Phalani, Mulani, Valkalani, Kashtani cha Kadanti. People, monkeys, birds, animals, Brunaschapi, Tesham, Bruna means take, they
Guna.
take
Worms.
No, who is Gunaha?
Guna is worms.
Worms. Worms. So,
Api,
Tesham Patrani. Their
tree
leaves.
leaves.
Tesham Patrani. Then
leaves,
flowers.
flowers, roots, Valkalani,
Bark. Bark.
Yes.
bark, okay. Kashtani is trunk.
Shade.
Shakhadanti, they eat.
The wood. Kashta is wood.
The wood. Kashta is wood.
Like
Vrikshaha,
huh.
they eat.
Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha, Patraihi, Pushpaihi, Phalaihi, Chayabhihi, Mulaihi, Valklaihi, Darubhischa, Swasampadabhihi, Sadaiva Abhyagata.
Swasampadbhihi.
Swasampadbhihi, Sadaiva Abhyagatanam, Jivanam, Satkaram, Kurvanti Yalam,
No.
Prashamsai Desham.
Kurvanti iti alam.
Alam.
Kurvanti iti alam.
Kurvanti iti alam.
Prashamsai. Prashamsayai.
Prasamsai Desham.
There's one long word.
Vrikshaha.
Api. Vrikshahi. So when the word, kind of a letter like she is used, is emphasis. You want to say it with more emphasis. So then you use the word vriksha. Vriksha, this trees also. So you want to say, you raise the voice and emphasize trees also. That is the word. Trees also.
Patraihi, Pushpaihi, Phalaihi.
Tritiya Bhakti Bhavachan. With leaves, with fruits.
Plants and Chayabhihi. They give
Shade.
shade also.
Shade.
Mulaihi, roots. Valklaihi, bark. Darubhischa.
Wood.
Yeah, it's a word
Wood.
which is used for two things. It's used for home and havan, burning, and also for like a post. You can cut down and make a post. For suppose the house and support the you want to tie some animal to that post. So that also is available from the trees only. Daruhi.
Daruhi cha. Swasampadabhihi.
No. Swasampadbhihi.
Swasampadbhihi.
Hold on. What does that mean? Swa is own. Sampat. Sampat is the word. Sampat. When you use the word sampat, and then you Tritiya Bhakti Bahucha, it is sampadbhihi. Sampat sampadbhi, with their own swasampadbhi, with their own wealth.